What's going on, guys? Today we got a quick unboxing to do. As you can see, there's a lot on the table here. HoverAir sent over a care package and it includes the X1 ProMax. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of everything you see here. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so you can see the main thing that we're gonna be taking a look at today here is the X1 ProMax. And I can tell you right off the bat that the packaging here is pretty nice. I would say this is probably comparable to something that you would see out of an Apple product. The box is actually really nice. It's got this really nice iridescent font on it. And then here in this, on top of the matte black finish, in this shiny sort of UV printed raised material or raised print is the drone itself. And then it's got some halftone type pattern on here. And then the box feels like it, yep, magnetic. It's really nice for an unboxing. And then right away you see here, we've got the drone itself. Nothing hidden, nothing crazy. So there is the drone. And the drone is really nice, really lightweight feeling, and we're not going to get into any specs today, obviously. And of course, their claim to fame is the foldable drone and its portableness. So we'll put this guy off to the side for a second, and looks like there's nothing else in here. We've got a quick start guide, so looks like scan for your app. And then, yep, just a quick start guide. And then what else do we have in here? Looks like we've got a bunch of stickers, which is kind of cool. So you can put a bunch of stickers on the drone. I believe those are for the drone. We'll have to find out. And then your instruction booklet. So again, some really nice packaging. And then we've got, looks like a nice carry case. So you could actually put the drone in this nice felt carrying case. Put that off to the side. And then in here, a sample of HEM frame. Try to tear and break it. So as you can see, twisting and bending this, and it just pops right back into shape. Kind of cool. So that's what the entire outer cage where the props are is made out of. So that is the drone itself. Oh, one last thing, of course, not gonna unbox it, but this is the USB-C charging port, or charging cable for the charging port on the back of the drone. So that is everything with the drone. We'll put that aside. Okay, next up, I will go into the second bigger box. This looks like some sort of case and package. And I believe, I don't know, I'm not a bike rider, but I've done a little bit of research. This is a bike pouch, so you put this on your bike, your bicycle, and this will sit on your bike so that when you're out adventuring, you can have the accessory pouch with you. So this is a pretty nice durable material. Got some branding on there, and it's got some Velcro straps so you can strap it down. And then inside, there are some accessories. So we've got another strap. We've got a magnetic clip. We've got a handlebar mount. Another magnetic clip for the beacon. So these are all for the beacon. This, which we'll get into in a second. So this is the beacon wrist strap mount. Nothing else in there. On that side, some more accessories on the other side. So this is the Max bundle. I don't know what the exact terminology is, but this is the full bundle that you can buy where it's maxed out. Battery charger. So this is the dual battery charger. So you can put 2 batteries in this. And I believe the battery just pops out. Yeah, okay, so here's 1 battery. So you can charge 2 batteries with this. Don't know if 2 batteries come in this. We'll have to open that up and find out. A high 65 watt power adapter, which is awesome. So for fast charging, yes, ND filters, which is always a big thing. So if you've watched the channel, I usually complain about drones that do not have the ability to have ND filters. So we have ND filters, so you can get nice, crisp, cinematic 8K footage on this guy. So we will be putting that to the test. And that is it for the bike accessory bag. Okay, the beacon and joystick bundle. Again, another really nice case. Feels like, oh, this has got like a leather texture to it. So it's like a leathery type texture, which is nice. Nice branding. Their presentation and quality of materials is actually really impressive and really nice. So props to HoverAir. Okay, I have never used any of their stuff, so I have no idea what I'm looking at. So all of this is new to me. I know that this drone has been out for a while. Okay, so this is the dual stick controller, I believe. So you've got your 2 joysticks like this, according to the diagram. And these are the sticks that you can place in. This is the center screen. I believe you can just control everything from just this, so you don't need the actual side pieces. And of course, this is the beacon. So this is what you can add to the wrist strap. You can add to the magnetic clip. You can add to the magnetic mount. So this is pretty universal through all their accessories. So this is sort of like the main thing that you can control the drone with, outside of just controlling the drone with the drone itself. And then inside here is just cables and a few instructions, and then a nice little cloth to clean the screen. And then this says power case. So we'll see what this is. Okay. Another really nice, well-presented, nice material, nice finish product. Okay, so this is the power case. You can slide the drone in and out of this and charge the drone right in here. Also carry the drone in this, obviously. It's a nice little case. It's extremely nice and well built. You can carry it on a strap. I don't know if I would. There's a nice little LCD screen here. Obviously, you probably have to charge it up and power it on. Let's see if we can get it powered on. I don't know how to power it on, so we'll have to get into that. But you can throw this in your bag then. But this is really well constructed. And obviously a nice way to carry the drone. And just overall a really nice way to carry the drone. All right, guys, that was a quick unboxing of the HoverAir X1 ProMax. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. And we will see you on the next one. Peace.